Hello everyone, my name is Dylan and today we'll be going over the STAR interview response method as well as some interview questions. Our first slide will be going over the STAR method and the STAR method's key components. What is the STAR method? The STAR method, interview response method, is a type of way to answer behavioral interview questions. Now, behavioral interview questions are questions about how you've behaved in the past, like how did you handle this situation in the workplace, or how did you adapt to this? Now, employers love using these techniques to find the skills and qualities of high-level performers. The STAR in STAR method is an acronym for the four key concepts. So the S stands for situation, which describes the event or situation that you're in. The T stands for task, which should explain the task that you have completed. And the A stands for action, which describes the specific actions that took place to complete the task. And the R stands for result, which should state the end goal. Now, on to the interview questions. Personally, one of my favorites is what do you see yourself doing in 5 years from now? Because this question gives you the opportunity to list your future and present goals during this question. You should state what you need to complete now and to prepare for the future to make your future goals possible. So, for example, if I were to answer this question from a student perspective, what would I want to accomplish in the next 5 years? Well, to sum it up, personally, I would like to finish my degree in accounting, as well as find an entry-level job in that field. But how would I get there? I'll then state all the specific major tasks and actions to complete the accounting degree and the steps that would be necessary to find the entry-level job. Now, our next question is, tell me about a time where the course load was heavy. How did you complete all your work? Now, this question requires a problem and a solution, and the STAR method is perfect for this. So you start with the situation, you then move on to the task, the action, and of course, the result. When looking back at the course, I know when it was pretty heavy. I mean, it could be looked at when the research project would do, and what was that presentation? Now, how did you overcome this problem? Personally, I try to focus on the stepping stones, meaning trying to complete the little things of this report to then get to the end goal, which in this case was finishing the report. I first started finding my research for the report. I got my primary research and then got my secondary research, and then I kind of went through that information and went through what I wanted to be the main points. I then kind of branched off from there, and then a couple hours later, well, a bit more than a couple, the report was finished. But I got the ball moving just with those little aspects of the report. All right, and that takes us to the works cited. I would like to say thank you for watching this presentation through, and hopefully the STAR interview method, response method, could be used in future interviews.